on an emergency work authorization to remove a maple tree that was threatening the levee. And while we were working, we got shut down because the levee failed upriver from our position.
Around 11:30 a.m. this morning, the Desamone levee on the Green River was breached and caused flooding at Olympic Avenue South in Tukwila behind Rainier Industries. Although this was sudden and caused widespread concern, fortunately no one was injured. In coordination with local mayors across South King County, we have been able to respond quickly, and the levee is in the process of being repaired.